Okay, how to get more reviews for your Amazon listings. This is a very controversial topic. It's a debatable topic, but I'm here to tell you that it's really not. And the reason why is because with Amazon over the last few years, and in fact, even in the last month, Amazon has been cracking down on people who are using black hat tactics or gray hat tactics. So if you don't know what that means, the use of a black hat tactic would be something against the Amazon TOS, the Amazon Terms of Service. So something black hat, for example, would be to, put a product insert in your packaging that says leave your review, or to solicit any kind of review basically for anything. So that is completely, again, black hat is against the Amazon Terms of Service. We don't recommend it at LaserSite Digital. And the reason is because people have been caught. And it's not just that one tactic. We've seen listings shut down. We've seen review farms get shut down. In fact, just a month ago, Amazon ended up suing a group of, I think, 10,000 individual Facebook groups that were, doing this sort of review manipulation. So if you want a clean answer today on how to get more reviews for your listing, let's talk about that. So the white hat tactics that we recommend, number one, is that you can use Amazon Vine to get reviews. That's the best way to do it. Number two, you can use request a review button, which you can automate through the use of tools such as Feedback Wiz. We're not affiliated with them. I just think they have a good service that automates this request a review button. And if you're wondering what that is that in every single order, if you go to your orders in Seller Central, there's a button that says request a review. And you can send that after some time has passed. So when the customer has actually gotten the order delivered and it has had some time to use a product. So you can go ahead and go into every single order and manually click that button to send an Amazon TOS compliant email. Or you can use third-party tools like Feedback Wiz or whatever else. They're honestly all the same. So I don't have a bias. I'm just showing you an example of what it looks like. And so a tool like this or any other third-party tool will go ahead and automate that function for you automatically. So it'll go ahead and send an Amazon TOS compliant email to that customer asking for a review. And you can kind of see what it looks like right here on my screen here. It's an Amazon compliant, it's got all the Amazon messaging and logo and everything versus other third parties that use their own. So that's the second thing you can do to get reviews. And we've seen on average about a 1% review rate. And that's just across the board. That doesn't mean if you're using a third-party tool or whatever. And what I mean by that is for every 100 orders, you end up getting maybe 1.5 or 2 reviews. That's typical. And something like this might accelerate it by a couple percentage points. So it's it's better than nothing, right? Lastly, what we recommend to get reviews today is to accelerate that every 100 orders. So how do you accelerate that every 100 orders? Well, you can use SEO tactics that we explain here on our website at lasersitedigital.com, or you can use Amazon advertising to accelerate your orders. So for example, we have a few clients that are brand new sellers to Amazon, or they're product launching a brand new product from scratch. And we will use advertising as a necessary fuel to increase the orders, but also get them ranked on certain keywords that are favorable to their product. So for example, if they're selling a soccer, training jersey, like you see here on the screen, like a neon color jersey, well, we're probably going to go ahead and heavily invest in advertising and attack that keyword, such as neon training jersey or green training jersey or soccer training jersey or something to that effect. And we're going to use advertising to increase the amount of orders that customer is getting for that new product. And once that happens, if we're able to increase that, order count from 10 orders a day to 50 orders a day to 100 orders a day to 150 orders a day, etc., you can quickly see how Amazon advertising becomes the fuel for getting reviews, but also to get TOS compliant reviews. All right, so there you have it. Not to overcomplicate it, but you can use black hat tactics and get caught eventually, or you can use Amazon advertising and use sponsored products that will get your products out there. You can use sponsored brands to show your brand creatively, and you can use sponsored display to reach customers in different phases of the purchasing decision. And we can help you do that. or you can roll the dice and potentially end up having Amazon close your Amazon, your selling abilities essentially. But that today is how you get Amazon reviews. Gone are the days of getting, reviews through shady tactics. And unfortunately now, because they've cracked down so hard, you've got to use TOS compliant, methods. So that, just to reiterate, number one, use Amazon Vine to get reviews. Number two, you can use the request a review button feature that you can automate through the use of third-party tools such as FeedbackWiz. And number three, you can use advertising to accelerate sell-through, increase your product ranking in your category, and eventually get reviews. All right, I hope that was helpful. And if you have any questions on how to do this, you can reach us at lasersightdigital.com, and let's navigate the jungle together.